Hi everybody, if you're here to see which Anna Louisa jewelry pieces I am unboxing today, then just keep on watching this video. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Bree and I make lifestyle, beauty, and fashion content here in gorgeous New York City. Today's video is regarding the sustainable jewelry brand Anna Louisa, which I'm sure you, just like myself, have seen all over Instagram. I've been seeing them all over Instagram for years, and at this point I just decided it was time to buy some Anna Louisa jewelry because I saw that it was available on Klarna, which, if you don't know, is a service similar to Afterpay that I purchase all of these items with my own money. I wish they sent me something, but they don't know who I am and they don't know that I'm making this video, so it's all good. I'm manifesting in this year, 2021, Anna Louisa will send me some jewelry and I will share those products with you guys. Crossing my fingers. Manifest, manifest. I don't think I would have heard of them if not for Instagram. I took a peek at these items that I'm going to be unboxing. You guys make beautiful, beautiful pieces. I have purchased gold-plated jewelry in the past. I have a pair of gold-plated earrings that I purchased in the Caribbean, not Anna Louisa, over 10 years ago, and they haven't needed to be replated again since. I do have some confidence in gold-plated jewelry. I can just go ahead and pay to get it replated and it'll look as good as new, and it's still so much more affordable than buying solid gold pieces. So I'm praying and having faith that Anna Louisa is going to hold up. Just as a reference point, these are the gold earrings that I'm talking about, 14 karat gold earrings that I purchased 10 years ago in the Caribbean. They're still holding up amazingly. I don't know that I'll ever have to get these replated, but I just bring this to you guys' attention because I had somebody, this guy that I used to work with, say to me once that gold plating is a waste of money. It's all about solid gold, and I'm like, look, I have an experience, a very long-standing experience with gold plating, so I stand by gold plating. I can attest to the fact that it does stand the test of time. These earrings are 10 years old and I haven't had to get them replated yet. That's just to give you guys a little bit of insight for those of you who have never purchased anything with gold plating. I don't know anyone in my personal life, any friends of mine or family members who have ever purchased any gold-plated jewelry. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of knowledge as far as my experience with it. I've had nothing but good experiences with gold-plated jewelry. My ears don't turn green. It doesn't, nothing bad happens because it's gold. It's 14 karat, 18 karat, sometimes 10 karat, but mostly 14 karat gold. It's just sterling silver or surgical steel plated in gold, so dipped in it, I guess you could say. I'm not exactly sure of the process. It still makes it so much more worth it than paying hundreds, probably $300, $400, $500 on one gold item when you can spend $50 on one gold plated item. As far as sustainability goes, my package was shipped in this tiny little box. Just gonna go ahead and open the box. I'm so excited to show you guys. I haven't worn any of these items yet, but I did take a quick little peek. This is exactly how everything was packaged, and how perfect is that? We're not wasting any additional space in the box. Boxes are just very wasteful for the environment, so I'm super glad that Anna Louisa is taking all the right precautions to be just overall sustainable, not just in the materials that they use to make their jewelry, but in their packaging as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out of the box. This is a thank you card. How sweet. You're welcome. So the first item is the Yusuf necklace, which I'm so excited about. This is actually what I believe to be Anna Louisa's most popular item. You're about to see why. It is so versatile. It comes in this adorable little jewelry pouch that says in gold letters Anna Louisa, and on top of Anna Louisa it says Yusuf. The Yusuf necklace came with this really cute little tag on it, and on the other side it says beautiful things, which I find to be true. These are beautiful things. I always do my research before I buy anything online. That said, I knew that the Yusuf necklace was going to be shorter and more choker-like than I really feel comfortable wearing. Like my chokers or tight-fitting necklaces to just be a little bit longer to make it a little bit more comfortable and not as constraining on the neck. One of my 5 pieces is in this tiny little envelope. It is the Anna Louisa necklace extender. I heard it can also be used for Anna Louisa bracelets if you need to. It's so tiny and cute. I mean, it's the size of an eyeball. Let's pop it open. There we are. That is the Anna Louisa necklace or chain extender. And here we have it, the Anna Louisa Yusuf necklace, and I think it looks absolutely amazing. And I have the 2-inch chain extender on, and it fits just so perfectly with the extender on. It looks amazing. And I have the extender all the way extended. I have everything on the longest possible setting that it can sit on, and it's just sparkling so bright, and it can be worn on its own, it can be layered with other pieces, but this is one thing that I think really stands alone nicely. I'm obsessed with the Yusuf necklace, and I know I'm gonna wear it all the time. I've been looking for something like this for the longest. The next item is the Abbey hoop earring. The Abbey earring comes in 2 sizes, and I got the larger of the 2 to make a little bit more of a statement, a little bit more of an impact. Look at those look so gorgeous. I can't wait to put them on. On the back of the packaging it says, "They look good attached to me, even better attached to you." How sweet, I love that. The Abbey hoop earring. So I've never seen any hoop earrings that look just like this. They drop down a little bit, they have a little bit of shape to them, they have that nice round dimension that I was going for. They're structured and they're unique, but still maintaining a classic look. And it's hard to be classy and unique because classy implies being a style that we're so used to seeing, but unique is what these are, which is a style that I'm not very used to seeing. But I think these are going to stand the test of time style-wise, and look-wise I think they're gorgeous. Next we have the Love Puff Heart necklace. It comes on this white little cardboard holder, and on the back says "Hope, Love, Create." Super cute. Also comes with a little envelope to hold the rest of the chain. As you can see, I went ahead and put on the Love Puff Heart necklace, and it is really something special. It is so shiny and it's so gorgeous, and I don't care what anyone says. Pam from The Office, women do buy themselves heart-shaped jewelry. I don't know why there's such a stigma around women not buying themselves heart-shaped jewelry, because that's actually not the first time I've heard it. I just love the shape of hearts. Is it a crime to love the shape of hearts? And I love that it's a little bit longer, perfect for layering, as well as perfect for sitting on top of any higher neck items that you put under it. And I had to do it. I couldn't leave the website without it. The Jessica Puff Heart Hoop earrings to match the Love Puff Heart Hoop necklace. So this is how they would look next to each other had I not ripped it. The little paper backing that this was kind of sitting up on. And here they are in all their glory, the Jessica Puffed Heart hoops. The gold plating is literally glittering. These are really show-stopping pieces. I would highly, highly recommend. And you know, I couldn't stop this video without trying both pieces from the Heart collection on together. They are a set. They don't have to be worn as one, and they're not sold as a set, but they are the perfect match. For the sake of showing you what some of the pieces look like combined, I went ahead and put on the Love necklace, the Yusuf necklace, as well as the Jessica earrings. For a different look, I went ahead and put the Abbey earrings back on to show you what it looks like with the necklaces. This is most definitely by far the shiniest and the richest in color gold plating jewelry that I've purchased thus far. It just takes a quick second to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe because I know you enjoyed and you want to see more of this face. I'll be back with a new video super soon in a flash, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!